lovelies, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. Welcome to my happy place. How are you, lovelies? I hope you're all doing great. Today, what I'm going to save in my butterfly binder should be, hold on, $40. But before I start, please put a like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated on my next video. And I'm on my road to 600 subscribers. Uh, hopefully I can reach 600 subscribers with your help, of course, uh, on December, on next month. And as a Christmas gift, please give it to me. Please help me reach it. Thank you. So 40, and let's change it into prop money. Let's see. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Let's do 30 then. And all the But I have $40 here. I just put it on the side. Let's change it first into smaller notes. Okay. So the first one is, oh, I have IOU here, $2. Let's pay the IOU first. IOUs, $2. So there's a $5 here. And give me 3, right? 1. No, hold on. $5. Just put it like this. So now it's 8. And the IOU, put it on the side. And let's start to scratch this off. Oh, this challenge is from Mel of Momshi Queen. It's posted on her coffee shop. You can grab this as a DIY scratcher or DIY scratch off challenge for a affordable price. Okay, this one is $5. Let's finish this. And the other one is, okay, $2. $2. So let's change. I think we need to consolidate this. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's put it back here and get $10. So now, oh, so what we save here is 20, 30, 40, 50, 55. Yay! They still have some tiny here, but I think I will do it next time. So this one is $45. Yay! Oh no, 55. You see? Sorry. And let's ring the bell. Okay, ring the bell. One challenge done. Then let's move along with the other challenges. So this one is from Plan to Save Design. If you haven't watched my unstopping video and my reallocation, the video, you can watch my previous video to watch for it. So this one is, let's save here $10. Oh no. Yeah, let's save here $10. So 4, 4, 2. This one is from Kincaid Special Creation. So each icon, I'll just put, let's roll the dice then. Four-sided dice. Let's put it there first. So 1, 3, let's do 4. Okay, let's do that one first. 7, 8, $8. And for this one, it's from Vey of the Budgeting Butterfly. This is a set of 4, I think. I already finished the 2, and then this is the last 2. It's available on her Etsy shop and coffee shop, I think. But I'm sure Etsy, she posted it on her Etsy shop. So let's crush this. 3. Let's do one more. Oh, it's big. 7. Total of 7. And this one is from me. I made this challenge. I just need to get my die. So just roll color die. So this is green, pink, purple. Purple is this one, like the dark blue. And the yellow is the yellow one. And then red and blue. So whatever the color lands on, I'll save the number of the dice, okay? So purple is 4. And I do one more. So red is 2. So a total of $6. So now $6 is done. So all the money that I have here is all done, all been cashed off, and let's consolidate this. 5, 10, $15. So let's do 10 and put it here. The total amount I saved so far in here, $85. Haven't changed yet. If you want to grab this, you can check my copper shop. This is the actually A5 dashboard. And then this one. You can do it as a shut the box. That's why I can put it catch the butterfly or do as whatever you want and whatever way you want it. So it's a versatile saving challenge. So I need to put something here so that I remember that we didn't reach until this one. Okay. So next week I will stopping starting from this one. Okay, so the butterfly saving challenge done. And this $20, let's put it back here. And this one, I will use it next time, but all right, what's next? So what's next is for this one, we started from our collab first. This is saving around the world 2025, 12 months of saving. So we started it last January and it will end it next year. It will end it next month. The one who made this challenge is Cash and Color Budget, which I mistakenly said Glow Budget on my previous video, but it's Cash Color Budget. And the saving challenge is like this. It's representing Mexico. So each icon, I put $2. It's your choice how much you want each icon will be. So for me, I put $2 and I will save here, I think $10. But the money that I need to save here is 20, 40, 50, 60. So let's save here $10. So all the money that I saved from January, it's still in here in this binder. I haven't reallocate it yet. I will reallocate it at the end of this year. Okay, so far what we have here is 100, 200, 300, 400, 450, 460, 468. And let's look this up. I don't know if there's someone that will do like this next year, but if you happen to have having a collaboration for the rest of the 2026, I'm willing to join if you want. Okay, so let's put it aside. And next one is our collab. This is a Christmas collab with Mel of Mamshi Queen. So, okay, let's just put it aside first. And you can find this saving challenge through our community post, Mel's of Mamshi Queen community post, and my post. You can grab this on our Kopai shop. Just visit our Kopai or Kopi shop and you can grab it from there. So it should be so you have the dashboard, this game board, and the other two is this one, which is what I created, and Mel created this one. So let's now play with it. Okay, for this one, I will use either four-sided dice or six-sided dice. Okay, I'll just use four-sided dice then. Okay, four-sided. So how much? So, how many steps? 1, 2. So Lovely Budget HKA 5. So for this one, so you need to save, you have to go to my A5 saving challenge. And should be this one. So for this one, if you want to save the parole or lantern, you use D4 dice. And then if you want to know how much you will save for Christmas tree, you have to roll D6. Okay, so for me, let's start with D4. So 1, okay, 1 first. And what I'm going to do is I write it down 1 for now, but I will make it a total. So, and then, so 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, roll the D6. 2, so I need to save here 2. And roll D4 again. So 1, step 1 is the gingerbread house, I think. So I need to save here 4. So I'll total it to 4, 6, 7. 7, okay, let's do one more then. 2. 1, 2. So roll the D4 and 3. So now it's 7. So 7, 8, 9, 10. So save it $10. So I will save it in here. And there's one more that I need to show you. This is our last year Christmas collab with Mel as well. So this one I want to also save from this one because I need more fun for Christmas. And let's roll four-sided dice. So 1, we start from here, going there, going up there. So 1, so I need to save $2 and one more. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, $7. $7. Let me change it first to. Oh, we don't have. Okay, let's use this one for the meantime because I don't have 1, 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. So 5. Okay. And then 10. Okay, let's change $20 here. So 5, 7, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20. Okay. It's a mix-up of prop money. So $7. Let's save here $7. And I put it here for a while. Okay, and let's move on to the next saving challenge for the next collab. Okay, the next collab will be the collaboration from Save with Judy, Blessed Budget by Abigail, and Trina of Hippies, Puppies, and Kittens. So I think I forgot where I finished last time. So let's start. Let's restart again. I forgot really. So let's use 6-sided dice here. 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Why this is empty? 4 sunflower. So every icon, roll d6. Okay, roll d6. So this is $4. 1. So 1 is $1. So 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $1 again. So total of $5. 4, 1. Yeah, $5. So how much is the total here? So 20, 40, 45, 47, 48. So total of $48 so far. Oh, there's $2 more. So next collaboration is between 25 different channels, which I will put on all the names on the description box because it's too long to say the channel. So I'll just put it on the description box. So let's see. So far we have here $81 and let's roll 2 dice. Okay. So 3 and 5. 3 and 5 already done. 5 and 3 already done. So let's, oops, 1 and 3. 1 and 3, so $3. 5 and 2, $5. So $8 the total now. One more. $8, 3 and 3. 3 and 3, so $12. Total of $12. Let's see if I have, let's see if there's a change. $12, put 20, put 8. No. Give me 2 here. Yeah. So give me 10 back. Okay, the total amount of for this challenge now is for 50, 70, 90, 93. Okay. Next one is my own creation. This is my first group play. This is the last part, and I roll this. I roll here four-sided dice. Oh, two, one. Let's finish the second row. Four, four, and one. Okay, how much? Oh, one more. I missed one more. So one. So 4, 12, 13. 3, 4, 5, 9, 13. Okay, $13. One. Okay, $13. So far, what we have here, 20, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. Okay, let's change this prop money into $20. My phone memory is full now, so I need to delete some video first or file first, and then so I will I will continue now. And what we only have $3 left here, so I don't know if I can do it. So let's save it here. So this one is from Budgets with Elma. It's a fall saving challenge, and I put here $1 for the lift. It should be colored, but that time when I print this, my printer is not doing good. And a corn is $2. Maple leaf is $3. The other leaf, this one is 4, and the pumpkin is $5. So let's roll four-sided dice because I don't have enough money. So let's do so. 3 is the maple leaf. So let's cross this out and let's say $3. Okay. So 5, 10, 15, $18 so far for this one. So we haven't done Wednesday, and actually I want to do this roll into Paul by Cathy Budgets, but unfortunately we don't have much to save today. So I will do it next time if the money tells me to do it. So, and this is a book for fall. It's called Rolling into Fall. So this is from Cruise Budgets, and it's available on her Etsy shop, but we grabbed it through her Google Drive last time when she posted into her community post, I think, or in coffee shop. I forgot. So there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 challenge using a D4, D5, D6, D8, D10, D12, and D20 dices. And this one is not from her. This is from Victoria of V. Denise Saves. I think she gave it to me as a happy mail, digital mail, and I just print it out to fill the fall. I want to make it as a fall theme because I like this season as well as the spring season. So I will do it next time. For now, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and hope you join us for saving for our collaboration with Mel for this one, and check our Copa shop if you want to. And have a great day, lovelies. Bye for now and see you later. Be humble and grateful. Make saving a habit. Love ya. Bye. See you next week. Bye.